looking to eat healthy, and when it comes to having snacks, I think nuts are a great option, especially walnuts. Today I'm going to show you roasted walnuts 3 ways. Why wait? Let's get started and check out the recipe. To a bowl, take 2 cups of walnuts. To this, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add 1/4 cup of honey. To this, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds. Mix everything together. Make sure all the walnuts are coated nicely with the honey and the butter and the sesame seeds. I've lined a baking tray with a sheet of butter paper. Transfer the walnuts to the baking tray. Just make sure you spread the walnuts onto the tray so they're not sticking to each other. Just give them some room. So this way they will bake evenly. Now the walnuts are ready to be placed in the oven. I've preheated the oven to about 180 degrees. Bake them in the oven for about 5 minutes. So I've toasted the walnuts for about 5 minutes in the oven at 180 degrees. Just quickly mix it all together along with the melted butter and honey. Having at least 3 handfuls of walnuts a week improves the overall diet quality. So try these flavorful walnut recipes to include power of 3 handfuls in your weekly diet. For the spiced walnuts, to the pan add 1 tablespoon butter. So I've taken unsalted butter. Once the butter melts, add 2 cups of walnuts. Toast them on medium flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. After roasting the nuts for about 2 minutes, now I'm going to add all the spice powders, starting with half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Reduce the flame while adding the spice powders, you don't want to burn it. Half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon chaat masala powder. Walnuts are a healthy snacking option as they are the only tree nut significantly rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for human body. After adding the spice powders, keep the flame on low and toast it for about 2 minutes. Turn off the stove, cool the nuts completely. For the cinnamon walnuts, to the pan add 1 tablespoon butter. So I've taken unsalted butter. Once the butter is melted, add 2 cups of walnuts. To the sieve, add 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. I'm going to add some cinnamon powder to the powdered sugar. Just mix it together. Now gently tap the strainer. Dust as much as you need. You don't have to dust all of it. Just see how much you require and that should be enough. I'm just going to quickly toss this. Intake of walnuts may reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases and improve heart health. Another reason to include 3 handfuls of walnuts in your weekly diet. If you're finding it difficult to toss it, you can just mix it with a spatula. The cinnamon walnuts are done. Cool them completely before you put them in a jar. Here are 3 great and simple and quick recipes that you can make with walnuts. These are great to snack on. You can make them, store them in an airtight jar or container and snack them whenever you're hungry. So do try this and enjoy. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 Frames.